This is the type of thinking na I'm hoping can save lives and give you some semblance of hope for yourself and for others din in the future. Meron kasing nag-message sa akin saying na first year college daw siya. Tapos nahihirapan siya mag-adjust kasi galing siya sa province, tapos nag-move siya dito sa Manila, dito siya nag-aaral. And gustong-gusto niya na maging laude, pero nahihirapan siya dun sa transition. And nadi-discourage siya kasi paano yun daw na hindi niya nagagawa yung best niya. Kasi nahihirapan siya. I wanted to really talk about this kasi we need to talk about how yung the best is not something na attainable para sa lahat. Kailangan natin tanggapin na the reason why merong the best at the yung article, THE, is because siya lang yun. Kung merong anyone out there who can do the exact same thing, edi hindi na the best yun kasi dalawa na kayo. 'Di ba? Ang best by definition has to be the single one na nasa tuktok, nasa tugatong ng tagumpay. So for you to constantly think na kapag hindi ako yung the best at everything ay hindi na ako magaling or wala na akong silbi is just unrealistic. Kasi hindi yun mangyayari, be. Sa dami ng tao sa mundo, at siguradong may mas matalino sa'yo, siguradong may mas magaling sa'yo, we can't all be the best. Diba? Lagi ko ang sinasabi sa inyo na we can't all be the best but we can all be better. So that's a more parang realistic, more attainable goal to keep trying to be better. So, yun yung first best. Diba? We're going to talk about 4.